think he said these races have been a caution fest.
Oh, okay. It's just real staticky on my headphones.
Yeah, I ran one race last night. 23 out of 35 was caution.
One lap to green. Line up on the outside. Pit road is closed. Catch the 7 car.
I've done 10 or 15 of them and they've all been big.
That last time has to be hacked because, I mean, I'm balls to the wall and I'm all
Get
second
ready.
behind
Going
him.
green.
My cleanest race that I've done in like 15 races has had 3 cautions.
The pace car is in.
Good luck, Joe.
Green, green, green. Car inside. Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Keep high. Clear inside.
Front.
Slow car down low. The yellow flag is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed. Let the 3 car by. He had the position when the yellow flag came out.
Yeah, boy, Jimmy hit the wall pretty hard there, dude.
Catch the 3 car. Catch the 15 car.
I hit a 740.
I hit a
Pit
31.8.
road is now open.
2801 has been my very best. As you can see, not my best track since they reconfigured it.
I think my best is 2810.
I hate this reconfigured track. Hate it, hate it, hate it.
Slow here. Slow. I
Catch
don't really
the
like
15 car.
driving. He's really...
Pit road is
Same.
closed.
really
And I
loose
went
cars.
from Class C 1.80 to Class A 3.40.
Yeah, some people
Yeah, I've been
got
trying
it,
to get
some people
my B-class open setup going for this track, and I was having too much trouble, so I decided to hop in the truck race.
I went C to A at Talladega, but this track brought me down to a B.
You can still get pretty competitive with the big setup in the open races.
Yeah, the setup here is actually pretty good.
Well, I haven't done the open setup with the truck. I was trying to get my open setup right with the B car. I couldn't get anything down that I liked. I was playing with it for a few hours.
1 lap to green. Line up on the outside. Catch the 11 car.
That B car's so heavy, man.
5.302.
NASCAR iRacing Series. Trucks are most fun in real life to race and on iRacing.
NIS race, it's going to be fun this week. I can't imagine how many wrecks there will be with 30 cars on this track.
Get ready. Going green.
Well, if everyone uses patience, there shouldn't be as many, but nobody does.
The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag. You're in the top 10. 1 minute 0.891. Inside. Still there. Clear inside. Car inside. Still there. Hold your line. Clear. .149.
Brad, I'm just relaxing back here. Don't let it worry. Okay, yeah, I was gonna say that's kind of what I'm doing here, Ray. If you want by, you're welcome.
Dude, let's not go 3 wide. Come on.
That was really stupid.
28.398. Go high, car
Watch out,
inside.
record
Go
entry,
high.
record
The yellow flag is out. Line up, single file. Pit road is closed. Pass the one car. Catch the 4 car.
I just don't understand. If he doesn't give you the inside, you can't just take it. There's other places on the track that you can pass.
I wish these guys would take it easy, man.
So, yeah, we're going to be up to 8th here.
I think if they just stop
Catch
your
the
speed
ball, car.
on your inside, then you gotta move up, right?
I don't think on that one there's nowhere for
Pit
you to
road
go,
is now open.
even if I wanted to.
So we're just going to slowly work our way forward with this strategy of not hitting anything. Really? So,
I don't even know who it was.
I was on your outside as soon as I saw him get you loose, so I just went straight up the track.
Pit road is
kind of like a
closed.
4 cars truck. 'Cause you're in a paint scheme. I saw Blackadder on there, so.
I don't understand it, man. If they go 3 wide on the big stretch.
Maybe starting on the low side. Woohoo! That'd be good for me.
Shem, you trying to stay at the back too?
Yeah, that's about all I can do, man. I just, I can't figure out this track, man.
Yeah, the 3 wide on the backstretch wasn't a very good idea either. Fuck yeah, I watched my mirrors to see who's coming. Otherwise I wouldn't have moved up for you guys.
It's really entertaining to watch from behind.
It's a shame, man.
Alright, so we're going to try this restart
Sucks,
again.
because I nearly got to put myself on
One
the
lap
wall
to
to avoid
green.
being
Line up
wrecked.
on the inside. 1 minute 7.279.
You mean naked girl? Bet. College. College I go to all the time. Iowa State, they got their own Snapchat deal and naked chicks all over it.
Alright, so, are we going to make it more than a few laps? I'm going to say we're not going to make it more than 3. 3 green flag laps? I don't know, but it'll be fun to find out.
Get ready, going green.
Dude, I gotta hit hard on that one.
The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag. 1 minute 1.017 outside. Stay low. Still there. Hold your line. Clear. The car outside.
Oh my God,
Stay
wrecking
low.
three.
There's a car on the high side. The yellow flag is out. Line up,
Sorry, I
single
didn't see you
file.
coming
Pit
down
road
on
is
me.
closed. Past the 4 car.
They're giving me plenty of time to catch up. I mean, to get my repair.
So we didn't even make it a lap.
Did you get through that, Brad? Oh no, I got clipped.
Pit road is now open.
What last leader on?
13. Coming out turn 4 to take 14 right now.
Jimmy, trust me, that wasn't on purpose. I just couldn't see you there, and I'm sorry, I was on the brakes. I was hoping to be able to slow down because I saw your front end just a little bit too late.
Man, it's Phoenix. You gotta go hard into the corners here. Like, you have to.
Nah, I usually back way off.
I drive mine balls deep in the corner every time. And I hammer the throttle off the corners. It's pretty fast.
I don't even use the brake.
I use a lot of brakes.
I never lift.
I drive it in real deep, but I use a lot of brakes.
You had a lot of damage on your right side.
Yeah, he hit the wall in the 2 there after the caution flag came out.
There was a guy last night, dove it into my inside going into 1, and literally did not touch the brakes once, and then blamed me for it. I watched the replay. He never even touched his brakes, and said it was my fault that he put up.
So here we go again. Another
Pit
night
road is
here.
closed.
High pacing.
Well, yeah, you're
going
supposed
around
to
the
give him
track.
half the track, don't you know?
High pacing.
He would have hit me if I was riding on the wall.
Hey, Ford, that's when you hit the brakes and you turn sharp left and you wreck them.
Oh, I let him know I wasn't happy with him.
Yeah, but if you're gonna turn left like that, you have to shout out Leroy Jenkins.
So that, seriously, if somebody racing me like that, I just, like, I'll bump them until I won't have it. So just because that irritates me when people race people like that. Like, it's racing. I realize Rubbin's racing. I'm all for Rubbin's racing. I love to have some Rubbin's racing, but taking each other out, not racing. I'll take, if somebody takes me out, I take them out. That's easy how it goes. Just in a different race.
Jimmy, you're gonna have to look at the replay there. I was on the brake, but it was
1
too
lap to
late
green.
when I
Line
saw
up on
you.
the inside. 1 minute 6.077.
Alright, so we're gonna be restarting 7th again. After we passed 1, somebody passed
Well,
us.
I'm not gonna argue with you anymore. I screwed up, yes. So, I mean, get over it. Sorry, but that's the way it goes.
Here we go again, ready for another restart.
Get ready, going green. The pace car is in.
Jimmy, I probably got more laps in this stuff than you
Green
even
flag,
think
green
about.
flag. 1 minute 1.395 outside.
4 starts there.
Still there. Hold your line. Clear. Inside. Clear inside. 29.386.
It'll be a little record.
Inside.
It shows the
Stay
track
high.
time. Your time
Still
trial,
there.
qualifying, and race time.
Stay high. There's a car on the low side. Car inside. Keep high. Clear. Car outside. Clear outside.
I doubt
The
that.
yellow
we got
flag is
the
out.
yeah.
Line up single file. Pit road is closed. Catch the 8 car. Catch the 18 car.
Thanks for keeping an eye on that, Chris. We were both heading for the outside.
Pass the 8 car.
Yep.
And
Yeah, well, there's
hold it.
lots of people that can run good hot laps. It all comes down to how you run in the race.
That is absolutely correct.
Guy was at my outside and got loose. I backed out of it and then went back on his outside and he almost came back up into me.
Started to
road
lose
is
it as
now
I
open.
entered 3. I thought I had it, and then it just kept wanting to lose the back end.
I'm back after 8 minutes.
Back.
He'll get Lucky Dog back on the way lot, don't worry.
3, you got a mic?
Catch the 8 car.
Who? That number 3.
Car 8. Got the lucky dog. Let them by. On the outside. Catch the 8 car. Catch the 17 car.
See, I'll get like 7 more cautions. I'm going to get a lucky dog.
There's always a chance.
I pacing and I did my part. Thought I had it there, but no, just wanted to keep going around. But apparently
Catch the 4 car.
gonna pick up even another position, so I'm gonna be back up to 10.
Pit road is closed.
I think I'm actually that's kind of sad. I'm pretty much gonna be back up to where I was. Got a text battle going there. I had to make sure that my race was interesting. So.
Who that was? And Jeff Gordon punched him in the face? Like, last week?
1 lap to green. Line up on the
I am
outside.
Kyle Bush. I'm gonna wreck you all.
1 minute 6.111.
So now I've got to.
Hey, Ken, I need to be on the outside in front of you. Oh, sorry, I wasn't even listening. Thanks.
So here we go.
My car probably looks terrible.
Try not to spin it out this time.
What lap's the leader on? 23.
Get ready. Going green. The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag. 1 minute 0.273.
Sorry about that, Chris.
Go low. The yellow flag is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed.
Starting in Texas, everybody. Can you overdo it? Sorry, Robert. That's why I was asking if the 3 had a mic.
Picked up another spot there.
Dude, how did you hit me? I know you mean to, but...
No, I know I got them brakes a little too hard and locked up on me, and then I
Pit road is
sliding.
now open.
Oh, okay.
Catch the 4 car.
Apologize for that. I'm not sure why I went up. Go a little bit further than a quarter of a lap.
I just spent like 8 minutes in pit road fixing the last one. I got hit in the beginning. I was like, oh, here we go again.
Yeah, I was catching up because I was sitting in there from one of the earlier ones that wrecks that I ran into.
You got 10 laps to go.
This is just embarrassing.
Oh, see, that's just gonna kill my SR.
This pace lap should help you a little bit.
Not by much. Well, from A-Class 3.4, I'll probably lose like 20. I got knocked down to B this week, but I honestly don't care if all I race this truck.
Okay, so there's 19 trucks in this field,
Catch the 4 car.
and we're 9th right now.
How many cautions is that so far?
Too many.
Pit road is closed.
Let's see, we're on lap 27. I don't think we've completed more than 2 laps, so yeah, maybe 4 or 5.
Yeah, I want to say it's been 5. Yeah.
I figured most of you rednecks would be watching the CMA Awards and this would be a clean race.
Okay, well, that'll be,
Oh, my bad, Jim. I didn't see you over there. I was standing behind the white car.
up tonight,
You're
start
good, brother.
You were here in front of me the whole time,
Lap
so
to
you
green.
were still
Line
on
up
my
on the
relative
inside.
as being in front of me. I thought you were that white truck.
1 minute 7.192. Catch the 1 car.
I was like, who is this guy driving next to me, man? I think I'm gonna do the B open race after this. Probably worse than this race though.
I can't wait for this to be over, and I don't think I'm coming back to Phoenix the rest of the week.
Have you ever
Get ready.
driven
Going
Miami?
green.
Yeah, Homestead? Yeah.
I haven't done it. It's a pretty good,
The pace
good
car is
track.
in.
Oh, yeah.
Green flag, green flag.
It looks like a nice track.
59.237. Outside. Stay low.
They're the open setup one.
Stay low.
That's my God,
Clear.
they're wrecking again.
The yellow flag is out. Line up single
What the
file.
hell is
Pit
the
road
matter with
closed.
you? Jesus!
Cheez-Its?
Idiot. You gotta make the pass. You can't force the pass.
That sounds like Keselowski and the Jeff Roach deal there.
Pit road is now open.
Yeah, I got a stupid
Catch
Keselowski
the
over
4
there.
car.
Alright, iPacing. Woo.
That was the best ball I've seen in a long time.
Ray, you gotta get by me. At least that's what it's telling me.
I might actually come out of here with a little bit of SR.
You've got 5 laps to go.
Nice.
I only spun out, so I made slight contact.
Safe is Jeff
Car
Gordon
10
off.
got the lucky dog. Let them by on the outside.
Oopsie.
I'm like 12 laps down and they're giving me the lucky dog.
Let the pen car
My
by.
tires were warmer when I started the race.
Dude, it's number 15, you almost got it right for me again.
So are we gonna get a 1 lap shootout? Maybe just have to hold them off.
Wait, lap leader on.
Pit road is closed.
32. 33. Or yeah, 32.
3 lap shootout. Alright. No.
Who wants to bet there's going to be a wreck before the race is
We're gonna go
over?
back to green. That's the line, but no.
That would be a losing bet.
I need some of these guys ahead of me to wreck. I want a better finishing
You
position.
won't make it to the white flag.
Come on, guys. That's just ignorant.
Well, the Hate Brad Club pretty much includes everybody else in the garage. He alienated himself.
What is this 13 truck doing?
1 lap to green. Line up on the inside. 1 minute 7.099.
Well, Kyle Busch don't have the target on his back, and before that it probably was somebody like Gordon or even Dale Earnhardt Sr.
Alright, so
Yeah, or Harvick or Tony Stewart. It's you kind of go through a fast one. I really think Sunday, if it had been anybody else besides Keselowski, that would have been just a racing deal. And the thing is, they take these stupid side skirts off these cars, just like when they did the front nose and they're cutting tires, and they got smart enough to finally change the nose.
Get ready.
Cutting tires
Going
down.
green.
Take it easy down here in this corner, Daniel.
The pace car is in.
Yeah, it's time to block them off, Pete.
Green flag, green flag. You've got 2 laps to go. 59.775. Car outside. Stay low. There's a car on the high side. Stay low. There's a car on the high side. Clear outside.
Oh, this is a clean lap.
High. Stay
Hang
high.
on to it, too.
Clear inside.
Hey, we made a lap.
hey,
You just got the white flag. That means 1 more lap to go. 28.876.
25 laps and 8 inches later.
Car outside. Keep low. Clear.
Oh, for God's sake.
Good racing, guys. I knew 3 was going to
There's
spin,
the
so I
flag.
stayed
It's
back.
over.
Guys are retarded.
Great job. You did really well.
we finished 9th. Oh, that's funny. Good stuff there. I'm surprised I held on to it. Yeah, that got a bit...
You held them off, Nick.
Yeah. Well, I think the pace car held most of them off.
Yeah, but he didn't go home with the trophy.
Okay, the race is over. Bring it on in.
Good point. Hey, thanks, man. I'll see you next race.
Alright, so we're gonna finish 9th in that one. I don't think the truck was too badly damaged. Had a little bit, not much. Yeah, a little bit, not much. Alright, so that's that.